Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Wi-Fi on your JBL Bar 9.1 soundbar. First, you need to download the Google Home app. Once the app is installed, open it. The Google Home app will ask you to sign in with your Google account if you are not already signed in. Before you proceed, you may need to enable Bluetooth and location services on your phone. On Android phones, go into your settings and turn on Bluetooth and location. On Apple devices, turn on Bluetooth in Settings. After Bluetooth and location are enabled, go back to the Google Home app. In the app, tap the plus or add device button. The app will start to look for new devices nearby. Wait for your JBL Bar 9.1 soundbar to appear in the list of devices. When you see your soundbar listed, tap it to begin the setup. The app will guide you through adding the device to your home Wi-Fi network. It will ask you to choose your Wi-Fi name and enter the password. Type in the correct password and continue. The app will connect the soundbar to your Wi-Fi network. Now your JBL Bar 9.1 is ready to stream music over Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.